Alright, I am going to attempt to use both cameras and both mics so that when I do some slow motion with the new camera, I can get some audio to go with it. But that means I need to try and sync this. So, let's try this. Anyhow, as we can all see, the R18 is here. There has been constant issues with it. Arcing either down the outside of the plug here or between the plug and the cooler. So I am going to attempt, what I did is I finally remembered the fuel line trick that I used on some of the other engines to replace that big rubber boot. This plug is tinier than the other ones, so there's no friction fit on this fuel line that's also the same size as the plug wire. And I did have to use E6000 to seal the plug to make sure that it would be electrically stable there, so we'll see if this works. Alright, well, it's firing once in a while. Oh. That is not supposed to be wide open like that. No wonder it's not. Alright, maybe that's it. Alright, see if that's it.